9753. You put the pork in and the ginger?
Yeah, and then after that, I just have to put my salt now.
What kind of salt is that?
Just like the sea salt.
And you used a little bit of oil?
Yeah, because of this butter. And then I'm going to put some.
That's good.
And then I'm just going to have it. Bay leaves. You have to put the bay leaves. Okay. And then just you have to put this in.
I remember we used to put in like a silver thing. It's like it's so that it doesn't spread out.
This is better. Then have that one. Okay? And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this is 7.
Your what?
This 7 out here. I'm gonna put it in.
Really? I've never seen you put in 7-Up.
Yes, I do. It's gonna soften the thing.
So you haven't, oh, it's a softener.
Yeah.
And you haven't put in soy sauce yet, no vinegar yet?
Not yet. Just have to do that.
You let it sit for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes?
10 minutes. No. I haven't even add water yet.
So when are you gonna add water?
Maybe in a few minutes, just a little bit. Yeah, but look, see if you're gonna see the meat, like the body it's cooked already. And you can start. I'm gonna put a little bit of. I'll see if I still have my broth here. I can have the beef broth. Just do like this. Okay, now there you go. Okay, so that, and then this is what's gonna make it really tasty. Is the oyster sauce.
Okay, when do you add that?
Later. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more. You know what? A little bit of vinegar, like this, like that. But do not stir it. Just leave it. Let the vinegar cook before you stir it. Okay. Soy sauce. I'm gonna stick it. I don't like really dark. So see that one? Looks like it's just.
We should give some to Bobby.
Huh?
We should give some of this to Bobby.
No, I don't think she would eat this. You know, Bobby doesn't really eat fatty stuff.
No?
Because of high blood pressure.
Ooh, that looks good. Well, that is a lot of oil.
I know, I should take some. Take some.
That looks good though. Are you still gonna let it simmer?
Yeah. Can you try the sauce? No, don't.
Oh, I'm sure the sauce is good. But you're thinking all that oil, we just gotta get rid of that?
No, not all. I have to take some.